Hey guys, it's Catfish back with another video. And on today's video, man, look. Y'all know me. I had to come right back out here to, I'm gonna show you in a minute where I'm at, man. But I had to come back out there because they always flipping their inventory. So I had to come back out here, man. They flip their inventory a lot. So the owner told me anytime you want to come out here and film, you come out here and film, man. So guys, we back at Diamond Motor Works. Man, come on, man. You see, you got one time in the building. But guys, look at this. Here we go again. Formatic Benz. Look with this. Look, guys, how many of you seen one of these? S600, big body, V12. Come on now. Look at this. She clean too, boy. Y'all know I love my Benz. Look. Jaguar. Y'all gonna see some cars that you didn't see last time. The inventory always flipping. 5.0. This thing nasty. Manual. I see that manual in there. Look at this Mustang, man. Sheesh. Look. 5.0 Mustang. Convertible. With the white interiors. Come on, man. I had to come back out. It's nice outside. It's a Saturday afternoon. Had to bring this AMG. This is CLS 53, guys. How many times have you seen one of these? This is with the chop, you know, the chop roof. I don't know what year it is. It's nasty. I love this car. Look. With the red interior. Thing nasty, boy. You. Nice. Lighted door seals. Man, I like this. Now, I drive something like this, guys. Man. We got a Carrera. 911. Nice. Look at this. Manual. Woo. I said, every time I got another Carrera next to it. But that's the 911 Carrera. This just a regular Carrera right here. Twin turbo. Nissan 300 ZX. Beautiful. Come on, man. BMW Z3 SL 500. This is where we at, guys. We at Diamond Motor Works, man. Guys, they got an old Lexus 470 too. Come on, man. They got all kinds of cars. This is just outside. Wait till I go inside. But I had to show y'all that big body Benz. That caught my attention. Woo, look at this. 6.3 AMG. Hard top convertible with the transparent roof. How many times do you see these? This is nice too, guys. SL63. I like that. Got the hard top with the transparent roof. That's nasty too. Alright, guys, we finna go inside. I'm gonna let y'all see some stuff, man. We going inside now. First car I want to show y'all though. Y'all gotta see this right here. Woo, look at this Resto-Mod, boy. Split window too, 63. Come on, man. With the blower on it. Come on, man. Hood pins. Drag light wheels. Look at this thing, man. This is nasty. Bead locks in the back. Ugh. Full roll cage. Sheesh. Ooh-wee. Y'all see how wide them tires are? It's a full drag car, man. And it's clean. Sheesh. Look. Carbon fiber up there. The whole dash carbon fiber, guys. Look at this. Ooh, that's nasty. Ew. I like that. That is really nasty, boy. I had to come up here and put this on my... Man, come on. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at the Mustangs. They got 3 of them in a row. Look at this one. This a Hertz. Oh, this one of them ones. Okay, all right. Look at this. Nasty. Beautiful. You got another 5.0 right there. Got a hole on it for somebody. And you got GT350. Well, like I say, guys, the turnover in here is crazy. Now, this wasn't here last time I was here. Look at this. Got a lamb. Another lamb. They got the other one in the corner, but they got this one right here. This one, nice. Woo. And guys, that's paint. That is not a wrap. That's paint. Look at this thing right here. Oh, this is a Venador too, guys. Yeah, look at the black roof. Ew. Oh, this is a Pirelli edition. Excuse me. There you go. Y'all see it? It's a Pirelli edition of Venador. Y'all see that V12? Come on, man. And that's paint, guys. I'm going to maybe have the owner is here today, so I'm going to get him on camera. And he can tell us more about this thing. But y'all know this is the car that I want so bad right here. I want this car. I might have to make that happen, man, some kind of way, man. Oh my God, I want one of these so bad. Sheesh. My favorite color, too, in red, too. Yes, Sirski. Yeah, this one. Target top, too. I want one of these, man. But like I said before, I just can't justify spending $100,000 for a 30-year-old car. Even though you're going to get your money back, but still. But, yeah. This Supra with the HRE wheels. A lot of this stuff y'all seen last time, but it's a whole lot of stuff that y'all haven't seen. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this Benz over here. This wasn't here last time either. This nice, too. Ooh. Maybach. This is a Maybach, guys. V12. Yep. Maybach. Yeah, I see that Maybach right there. This wasn't here last time either. They got a lot of stuff, though. Look at this. Look at this thing. Whew. Ooh, this luxurious, boy. Look at this. Sunroof. This is beautiful, boy. Look at this. Look at it. Y'all see that? V12. This ain't nothing nice right here, boy. Panoramic roof. Whew. Man. Y'all seen this one last time. It was way in the back. Yep. 280ZX turbo with the T-tops. Y'all saw the 2 Shelbys. Okay. Y'all saw this Mazda. This Mazda wasn't here last time either. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff that wasn't here last time, but this is nice too. Yes, sir. Manual. Beautiful. They got another Shelby back there. Yep. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second because I'm going to try to get the owner on here so he can tell you a little bit about his business. All right, man, I'll get back with you guys in a second. All right, guys, we back. This is the owner of Diamond Motor Works. He look young. He is young, but I'm going to let him tell y'all a little bit about the business because hey, guys, as you see, he got some cars up in here. So introduce yourself and tell him.
What up, Jeffrey? My name is Rami, okay. And this guy here is the true car guy. He knows about all this stuff more than I do. But here we got a 63 Corvette, split window. It has a little bit of work done to the engine, just a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit.
I mean a lot. And we also got a cool mix of some Porsches, some Supras. Everyone here, our car guys, we love this stuff. And we just love to interact with other car people too. And Jeffrey brings some energy to the game that's unparalleled. So
I want to show y'all a cool feature on this car. Y'all got to see these lights. When he showed me how these lights work, it messed me up. I'm going to let him show you. Check this out now. Check it out. Y'all watch this. Look. Manual, both of them.
It's all about the analog look, right?
Yeah.
Analog feel.
Ain't that crazy?
Manual. It's how to do it.
Ain't that crazy? But hey, guys, he called me by my government name, but it's cool though. But that's because we friends.
That's right.
But y'all know my government name, but it's cool.
Catfish Corner.
Yes, sir.
Love it.
But yeah, man, this guy, he got some beautiful cars, man. And the turnover is crazy. Because y'all know last time I was here, a lot of these cars were not here. But this one, man, this is crazy, guys.
Appreciate your kind words.
Ew. And it's one of my favorite Corvette, 63 split window. But them lights got me though. Never seen nothing like that before. Look at this thing, man. Look at
Check out that split window.
It's nasty, boy. I love it. I love it. Yeah, he told me anytime I want to come up here, I'll probably come up here maybe once or twice a month and film so y'all can see the turnover because they got a lot of cars that weren't here when I was here. Look at this thing, man. Look at this. Look. Full roll cage. All the carbon fiber. Look at all this carbon fiber. Look at it. All the carbon fiber. Got all the switches. Even got carbon fiber back there. Got to have the fire extinguisher, people. Got to have the fire extinguisher. Yeah, I like this car. This thing is nasty, boy. Woo, it's beautiful.
This is unique.
Yep. All right, guys, I'll get back with you in a second. All right, guys, I know you hear it. That's that 63 split window started up. Man, that thing's nasty. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it running? That thing sound good, guys. Ooh, that thing sound good. Yeah, they doing their own video. Boy, that thing sound good, man. See that blow? All right, guys, I'll get back with you in a second. All right, guys, y'all got a treat today. Y'all got a chance to hear that beautiful 63 split window Resto-Mod run, man. So yeah, that was a treat. I ain't gonna lie. That was a good treat, man. That thing sounded real nice. All right, guys. I'm gonna end this video right now. And just like that, this video is over. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.